Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, open Chrome and make sure it's running. If you use Chrome Sync, sign into the same Google account so history is available. Next, open the menu or press Ctrl+H to jump to history. This is where recovery begins. You need to act here because closed windows and tabs are tracked. Once you reach the history panel, look for the recently closed section. Once done, you'll be ready to restore entire windows instead of single tabs. Keep going to the restore step. Once in history, scroll to recently closed and expand it. You'll see both individual tabs and grouped window entries. You want the grouped window entry, the one that shows multiple tabs and a timestamp, because clicking it restores the entire window. If you don't see it immediately, use the search box to filter by domain or page title and make sure your sync account is selected so remote devices closed windows appear. Make sure to click the grouped item. That action recreates the window exactly. After clicking the grouped entry, watch Chrome recreate the window and load its tabs. You can pin or bookmark critical ones right away. If the window doesn't appear, check Chrome //history/synced tabs or history on any other device signed into the same account. Sometimes the record lives on another device. If nothing is found, enable settings right arrow on startup, right arrow continue, where you left off so future sessions save automatically. One key tip: if history was cleared, recovery is not possible via Chrome alone. Stop and check backups or synced devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.